Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 5th math. In today's video, our topic is division of fractions. This is page number 74. Division of fractions. Reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal. Before proceeding to division, we need to understand the word reciprocal. Okay, so before proceeding to division, we need to understand the word reciprocal. Okay, the reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator, that is by inverting the fraction. Okay, in the fraction 7 by 8 comma 8 by 7 is the reciprocal. Okay, so this is the fraction 7 by 8. So what we are doing here, we are interchanging the numerator and the denominator here. So 7 here is numerator and 8 is denominator, but we are interchanging here. Now denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. Okay, 7 by 8 comma 8 by 7 is the reciprocal. It is also called the multiplicative inverse. Okay, and it is also called the multiplicative inverse. Take a look at some fractions and their reciprocals or multiplicative inverses. Okay, so this is the box, fraction box, multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Okay, so this is proper fraction 6 by 7. Okay, proper fraction 6 by 7. Now 7 by 6 improper fraction. 7 by 6 is improper fraction. Whole number 5 equals to 5 by 1. Okay, in multiplicative inverse 1 by 5, this is proper fraction. Next, in fraction, improper fraction 6 by 5. 5 by 6 proper fraction. What we are doing here, we are reciprocal. Okay, we are interchanging the numerator and denominator. Okay, so this is mixed number 2 3 by 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4. Okay, so in multiplicative inverse 4 by 11. So this is proper fraction. Next, in fraction 1 equals to 1 by 1. 1 by 1 will remain the same. Okay, 0. 0. 0 has no reciprocal. Okay, so 0 has no reciprocal. Okay, so let us do our exercise 4.4. Okay, see this box. Info bit. One fraction is the reciprocal of another if their product is 1. Okay, one fraction is the reciprocal of another if the product is 1. Okay, so let us do exercise 4.4. Find the reciprocal of the following numbers and fraction. Okay, so we have to find the reciprocal of the following numbers and fraction. First question is 12. Okay, first question is 12. So let us solve this. Okay, exercise 4.4. First bit is we have to find the reciprocal of the following numbers and fraction. First question is 12. So what we have to do, we have to find the reciprocal. Okay, so 12 equals to 12 by 1. Okay, so we have to write 1 in denominator. Okay, so 12 by 1 reciprocal. One by 12. Okay, 1 by 12 reciprocal equals to 1 by 12. Okay, why we are writing here 1? Because in numerator 12 is there, but denominator there is a no number. So if there is a no number, we have to write here 1. So 12 by 1. So if we reciprocal this become 1 by 12. Okay, second problem. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So we have to reciprocal this. So we have to interchange the value, numerator and denominator. So reciprocal equals to 3 by 4. Okay, so we have interchanged this value. 3 by 4 reciprocal. Here also, in first problem also reciprocal we did. Denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. Okay, so 12 by 1 equals to 1 by 12. Here also 4 by 3 reciprocal equals to 3 by 4. Third one, 2 3 by 5. 2 3 by 5. We have to reciprocal this. 2 3 by 5 equals to 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 5. Okay. So reciprocal equals to 5 by 13. Okay. 5 by 13. Okay. We are interchanging the numerator and denominator. Okay. 5 by 13. Next, fourth one, reciprocal equals to, we are interchanging numerator and denominator, so 9 by 8. Okay, so similarly we have to try for remaining problem. It's very simple and very easy. Okay, with this we have completed our exercise 4.4. So let us learn this new topic, division of whole numbers by a fraction. Okay, division of whole numbers by a fraction. Okay, so this is a circle. We are dividing this circle into two equal parts. Okay, two equal parts. So this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 2. Okay, number of halves 1 by 2. Okay, half part we are considering 1 by 2 in 1. Okay, so 1 divided 1 by 2. 1 divided 1 by 2 equals to 1 into 2 by 1. 1 reciprocal. So 1 into 2 is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 equals to 2. Okay, next. Number of halves. So 1 by 2. Again 2 circles. Half. Half and half. In 2. 2 circles are there. So we are considering 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. So 1 by 2 here. Same here 1 by 2 in 2 circles. So we are considering number of halves 1 by 2 in 2 circles. Okay, so we are writing 2. Okay, 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 divided by 1 by 2 equals to 2 into reciprocal. So 2 by 1. 2 into reciprocal 2 by 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 by 1 equals to 4. Okay, next. Number of, how many circles are there here? 1 2 3. Okay, so we are dividing in 4 equal parts. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we are dividing circle in 4 equal parts. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so number of 1 by 4th, each portion is 1 by 4th, 1 by 4th, like this. Okay, so number of 1 by 4th in 3 circles, 1 2 3 equals to 3 divided 4 by 1. Okay, 4 by 1. So 3 4s are 12. 12 by 1 equals to 12. Okay, so this is a division of whole numbers by a fraction. You try this, fill in the blanks. Number of 1 by 5 in 3 equals to 3 divided to 1 by 5 equals to. Okay, so you have to similarly, how I have explained this, like that you have to write this in boxes. Okay, so in the next class I am going to start your new exercise, that is exercise 4.5. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.